most of people at this point think, what action should I take against the police? You don't take action against the police. It doesn't make sense. You don't. This is a system. You are not going to change the system. Okay, everybody knows this. You think judges don't know this? You think the government doesn't know this? You think Home Ministry doesn't know this? Everybody knows this, right? But this is going on like this for a long time. Supreme Court also knows this, and we don't know when the change will happen. But if you are having a case, you want to fight your case, you want to win your case. You don't want to change the system. You don't want to change the country right now. So don't get distracted that how can I take action against the police people and all of that. They are just doing their job. That is how they have a written part of their job that they are supposed to do this, and they have an unwritten part of their job. Okay, so this is the unwritten part of their job. One unwritten part of their job, which they are incentivized to do by the government only, is to turn you away without registering FIR. So no point fighting with that guy. If you fight with them, right, they will also fight with you, and you create problems for them, they'll create problems for you. That is not the objective. We are not here to fight with them, nor is it necessary to fight with them. By the way, I have seen people fight with them, argue with them. You go and argue. You have gone to register a FIR, right? Then you argue so badly with the police that police puts a false case against you, because police got so afraid by you that police puts a false case against you and instead starts prosecuting you. I have seen this happening. Okay, so this can also happen. So it's not like you just go and try to force the police or argue with the police. None of this is at all. This is not useful. Okay, only raise our hand for rights. Don't raise your hand. Are you crazy in the police station? Do not even raise your voice. Nothing. You don't have to fight with the police at all. I'm going to tell you a very simple solution. Police, you go to give your complaint. So I'll tell you what is the ideal situation in the police station when you're going to register police complaint. Ideal situation, which I have done, by the way. Okay, I will take 2 copies, written properly, written evidence, everything ready, 2 copies. I will give 1 copy to the police and say the other one you receive and give it to me. Police will say, what is this? This is for registering complaint. I say, yes, complaint register करना है. बोलेंगे अच्छा क्या हुआ है? And 1 line answer. Sir, fraud का case है. Sir, ये case है, वो case है, whatever, right? This is a case of cheating. This is a case of fraud. This is a case of that. This is the complaint. And police will want you to talk, and you don't talk. Police will want you to tell the story. अच्छा क्या हुआ है बताइए. Sir, it is written there in the complaint, but if you are asking, I'll tell you in 2 lines. Basically, blah blah person did a cheating with me and I want to register a complaint. Please take my complaint, right? And police might say things like, अब क्या proof है कि इसने किया है? No, मेरे पास proof नहीं है, आप investigate करिए. मेरे पास जितना proof है मैंने दे दिया है. The proof I have attached with the thing. Rest you investigate, right? So there is no need to try to force them to do it or put pressure on them or argue with them. None of this is necessary, nor is it helpful. It is counterproductive, right? So what do? Here is what you do. Just say, take my written complaint and investigate. That is all. So ideal situation, you are out of the police station in less than 5 minutes. You go to the police station, don't talk to them much. Tell them, sir, I have a complaint. Sir, I want to register a complaint. Which is the desk where I register a complaint. Here is my 2 copy. Receive and give it to me. That's all. Because I'm not interested in talking to the police at all. Talking to the police is not helping me. Get this straight, right? I have whatever I want to say, I have given it in writing. Okay? Mobile audio, nothing will help you. Are you crazy? You know, in India, people file a false case against you to prove that you're innocent. It will take you years. Okay? And you might be in jail for some time. So you don't want to argue with police. There's nothing. This is all, you know, you are going crazy. You cannot change the system like this. Nobody has been able to. You want to change the system, there's a different path, right? You set up an NGO, you start lobbying with the government, set up a political party, n number of things are there, right? But to go to the police and record what they are saying and prove it, it is not going to happen, my friend. That's the dumbest idea. Okay, what are you there for? You want to register your FIR, right? So let's be clear on that. You are not there to fight with the police. The system is the system. You are not there to fight the system at the moment. At the moment, you want your FIR registered. So all you say is that take my written complaint and investigate. That is all. If you find there is no merit in my case, you do what is appropriate, right? I have a right to give my application to you for registration of this is my complaint, will you not take it? If you don't take it, I'll go away, no problem. That's all. Just tell them, if you're not taking my complaint, okay, I'll go away. I'll go file it with the SP, I'll give it to the SP, to the commissioner, that's all I'll do. I don't want to argue, right? If they say, kyun karna hai, you don't want to engage in any conversation. You want to say that I have all that I want to say is written in my complaint. You please take my complaint. This is my complaint. I want to register. If you want to register it, take it. Otherwise, it's okay. I'm going away. Okay. And when you say this, they will realize that you are going to go to the next step. You are not there for fooling around. You are not there to have a conversation. You are not there to convince them that you have suffered, something has really happened. Nothing. You are like, I am here to give my complaint in writing. If you want to take it, please take it. As far as I know, you are supposed to take my complaint. If you don't want to take it, no problem, sir. I am leaving. That's all. Okay, I'll go away. If you just refuse, I'll go away. No problem. Right? If they refuse, you will go away. There is no business. You just want an acceptance. It is received copy, or if they don't give you received copy immediately, you say, no problem, sir. I am leaving. That's all. And at all times, there is supposed to be someone taking your application. There's no need to wait, nothing. If they say somebody is saying, wait and all of that, you say that, okay, no problem. That basically, you're not taking my application, I'm going out. आप नहीं ले रहे ना, तो मैं जा रहा हूँ, आप ही ले लो. जो भी है desk में, whoever is in, at every point of time, there is somebody in charge. Could be a constable, but there is somebody in charge. If you don't want to take it, I'm going away. Can you give me a receipt copy or not? If you cannot give, if you cannot give, I'm going away. That's all. You go away from there. Okay. There are many other steps available after that, but to try, and you can try to persuade them gently that, sir, please le lijiye, complaint le lijiye, investigate kar lijiye. At least you take my complaint in writing, right? FIR register kare na kare. If you want to register FIR or not, that is up to you. But at least you take my complaint. That much you can plead with them, and very gently you can plead, and you leave after that. Okay. And if they behave rudely, there is no scope of behaving rudely here, right? You are saying ki, sir, I want to give a complaint. You want to take it, you take it. If you don't want to take it, I'm leaving. How can they behave rudely, right? What will they say possibly? There's nothing they can say. Okay. If they refuses to give you a receipt copy and insist on keeping the complaint, let them keep the complaint. You go away from there, but you will treat this as a complaint was not taken from you, and you will follow it, because they have kept a copy and given you a received copy, means they have not taken your complaint. As simple as that. And then you will have to follow the next step. Okay. So now we'll go to the next step. If they will accept the complaint, if they will not investigate, then also next step. Okay. That same next step will apply. Okay. Okay. What to do next if the police did not take your complaint, or took your complaint but did not give receipt copy, or took the complaint but FIR was not registered within the next 7 days, maximum 7 days. Uske zyada to ho hi nahi sakta hai. And you don't even have to wait for 7 days, by the way. Okay, you can go to the next step. The next step is this. The next step is to send the complaint by registered post with acknowledgement due. This is there in the Indian government post, right? Registered post with AD, acknowledgement due, to the SP or commissioner. In different areas, there are different name nomenclature. Some places it's called the superintendent of police, SP. Somewhere it is called the commissioner. Now, whoever is that person in that your district, you are going to send your complaint in writing by registered post with AD to the SP and commissioner. Now, this is what the CRPC says, right? But other thing you must do is that email them, as it is easy to verify the content of email later on. Okay. So, and it doesn't matter whether ACP, DCP, CP, whatever, right? Whoever you send it to, they have a system in place. You are supposed to send it to the superintendent of police according to CRPC. So you can send it to that person, and if they will forward it to anybody else if necessary. Now somebody is saying, can't we hand over it in person? If the CRPC says send it by acknowledgement due by registered post, why will you hand over it in person? Right? You will do what the law says, right? So it's a process. But after doing what is written in CRPC, the other step you must do is that you must email it to them, and including all the dossier of evidence and everything, as it is easy to verify the content of the email. Okay. You cannot do this at first instance. You have to go to the local police station, then only you do this. If you don't do this, you will face problems. Okay. Because you have to write while you're writing the SP that on so and so date, so and so time, I went to police station and police did not take my complaint. You have to give this information also while you are writing the next. Additionally, so you will, why are you going to send it by email? Because imagine if you have send it something by registered post, and AD also you have got that it is delivered and blah blah. But what you have written, what evidence you have given, how can you prove later on that all this information has been given? It is not on record what exactly information you have sent. This is why we highly recommend that you also email it. And in today's day and time, the email ID of every SP of the country is available online, right? So download that email ID and send it there, because then you have proof that you have also emailed it to them, right? Exactly what is the content, what evidence you have given, everything comes on record. Additionally, go and meet the SP and then give him a hard copy also, like you said, right? So you give a hard copy also to the SP or CP or CP, whoever it is. Meet the person, tell your story, give it in, give the thing to them, and there is a chance that they will take action. Okay, so this is the second step, and there is a chance in many cases FIR will still not be registered. Okay, especially we used to see in any cases of economic offenses, right, where there's fraud or cheating or breach of trust and things which are cognizable offenses. Even those, it was very difficult to get police to register FIR, and very difficult even today. So even if you go to sometimes you go to the SP also, still nothing will happen. Okay, they will say no, this is a civil dispute, blah blah, will not take this complaint. Okay.